What if I told you that you could be making money while you sleep? Yes, earning money without the grind of a 9-to-5 job is entirely possible. In this video, we're diving into the world of passive income, those magical streams of revenue that flow in with little to no effort on your part. Get ready to discover 8 different passive income ideas that can transform your financial future. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest in real estate anymore. With platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, you can start with as little as $1,000. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to buy properties. And the best part? You earn passive income through rental income and property appreciation without ever dealing with tenants or maintenance. Imagine earning a steady income while property managers do all the work for you. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Next on our list is dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to generate passive income. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. By building a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks, you can earn regular income in the form of dividends, which can add up significantly over time with a well-structured investment strategy. And the cherry on top? These stocks often appreciate in value over time, growing your wealth even more. Next on our list are online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, why not create an online course? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and sell courses on virtually any topic. Once you create the course, it can generate income for years with minimal upkeep. Think about it: sharing your knowledge, helping others learn, and making money while you sleep. It's a win-win-win. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to earn passive income. By promoting products or services you believe in, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and start sharing links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. With the right strategy, the commissions can quickly add up, bringing you closer to your financial goals. Fifth on our list are rental properties. Owning rental properties is a classic way to build passive income. Whether it's residential or commercial real estate, renting out properties can provide a steady stream of income. The key is to find properties in high-demand areas, manage them efficiently, or hire a property management company to handle everything for you. This way, you can enjoy the income without the headaches of being a landlord. Next up, high-yield savings accounts. While it might not make you wealthy overnight, high-yield savings accounts can be a safe and reliable component of your passive income strategy. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, ensuring your money grows faster with minimal risk. It's a great way to park your emergency fund or other savings and earn passive income with virtually no effort. Passive income idea number 7. Writing a book or an ebook. Are you a storyteller or an expert in a niche? Writing a book or ebook can be an incredible source of passive income. Publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and earn royalties every time someone buys your book. Similar to creating an online course, it will require more time and effort in the beginning, but the initial effort of writing and marketing the book can pay off for years, providing a consistent stream of income. Eighth on our list is a YouTube channel or a blog. Starting a YouTube channel or blog around a topic you're passionate about can generate significant passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to create engaging, valuable content that attracts and retains an audience. Once your channel or blog gains traction, it can generate income 24/7, even when you're not actively working on it. There you have it, 8 powerful passive income ideas to help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, the key to success is to start now, be consistent, and diversify your income streams. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick thing, but with dedication and smart strategies, financial independence is within your reach. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy earning!